Assalamu alaikum. Today we're exploring a differential equation. Now let's draw a direction field for our differential equation. Here is the equation again. We will leave the y prime alone and plug in t and y values. Now we draw the slope at the point t equals 1, y equals 1. Now we draw the slope at the point t equals 1, y equals 2. Now we draw the slope at the point t equals 4, y equals 3. Now we apply this idea to all points within our range of t and y values. Now, we will plot the particular solutions of y. The general solution can be written. We will investigate which terms vanish when t goes to infinity. The negative exponential terms will converge to 0, and the solution converges to y equals t over 3 minus 1 over 9. Let's plot these solution curves for different values of c. As we can see, the visualization of a differential equation forms a field of lines where each line segment represents the slope at a point. Any particular solution follows a specific path through this field, determined by the constant c, which is defined by the initial condition. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe.